We have a lock here that needs a key, so we need to take it apart. Without the key, there's one of two ways the lock can be opened. We can pick it or we can shim it. Here, we're shimming it. All right, let's remove the cylinder from the lock body. Here's the new key. The lock still has its old pins, which means it won't work. We need to change those pins out to match the key that's in it now. All right, flat shear line, which means when the cylinder is inserted back into the body of the lock, it will turn when the key is inserted. Job done. The lock now has a new key.